Welcome, welcome, WalkMe warriors, to the first ever WalkMe Tips Showdown. I'm Leslie.
And I'm Evan. Today, we're going toe-to-toe in an epic battle of WalkMe builder brilliance.
That's right. We each have two game-changing WalkMe tips to share, and you will decide whose tips reign supreme.
My tips are gonna blow yours out of the water, Leslie.
In your dreams, Evan. My tips are so good, they should be illegal. Let the tips showdown begin. I'll go first. Picture this. Your organization constantly submits tasks with critical details missing. People are wasting time in clarification meetings when they could be, actually doing the work. The culprits? These 5 key details that nobody ever remembers to include. Business objective, success metrics, requested deliverables, project urgency, and technical considerations. And my template tip solves this problem completely. For a passive approach, you can simply add a guidance tooltip next to the field. Include the template text in the Smart Tip balloon so users can copy and paste the text into the task description field. Pretty simple. But a better solution would be to use automation to do it for them. To do this, use a smart walkthrough that automatically plays when users visit the task page and has an auto step set for fill text automation. In the WalkMe editor, create a new smart walkthrough. Add an auto step and select the description text box as your element. From the dropdown, select fill text as the automated action and add in the template questions. Here's a pro tip. Put each question on its own line so users can just type after each prompt. No more scrolling or toggling between tabs trying to remember what to include. Next, let's save the smart walkthrough and press play to quickly test it out. If that's our only step, we can move on to setting up the autoplay rules. This is how WalkMe will know how to activate this automation on the task details page every time. Set up autoplay rules with the condition builder so it triggers on the task page URL. Now, boom. Every time someone visits the page, they get the perfect template waiting for them. No more unnecessary clarification meetings needed. And that, my friend, is how you make internal tools work smarter, not harder. Good luck topping that.
Nice party trick, Leslie. Now let me show you all something with real impact. Jordan, a CRM admin, came to me with a common problem. Users were accidentally clicking the cancel button mid-process and losing all of their progress. And then the support tickets started flooding in. We've all been there, but what if I told you you can stop these accidents without changing the UI at all?
Without changing the UI at all? That's impossible.
Behold, the invisible launcher. Step 1, create a new launcher and place it on top of the cancel button. Step 2, enable invisible launcher mode. Step 3, you can set an action to trigger a smart walkthrough, shoutout, or other WalkMe action that asks the user to confirm their intent. For this scenario, let's set it to trigger a confirmation shoutout when clicked. And for advanced users, we'll add display conditions so it only appears when there's unsaved data. No code, no dev work, just pure WalkMe magic.
What if you don't want the hand icon to appear over the element?
That's a great question. You can customize the cursor style with global CSS, use display conditions to segment visibility, and show the launcher only if a certain form field has been filled or if the process is initiated by a specific role or department. This is a great use case for ensuring users fill in the necessary information on a form. That's an advanced bonus tip for you. That's one all. Ready to bring your A game?
Evan thinks he's slick with his invisible tricks, but I'm about to save you hours of time with my right-click hack. As builders, we constantly need to mimic what users do. Clicking buttons, opening dropdowns, filling in forms. That repetitive process can take forever. If only you'd known my secret weapon. When building and testing content, instead of clicking an element on the page to trigger a smart walkthrough step, just right-click on the screen on the element. WalkMe will register it as a left click and move forward in your flow. So you can test steps quickly without running through an entire process. No more creating and deleting test data, no more cluttering your environment, and no more time wasted on repetitive actions.
I have to admit, that's pretty clever.
I know, right? It's a real game changer for builders. And that is how you save hours of development time with one simple trick. 2-1 to me.
Leslie's right-click tip is cute, but what I'm about to show you is something that will fundamentally transform how you build flows: logic rules. Let's say you're a sales op manager and you notice reps keep marking deals as committed even when the numbers don't match the opportunity amount. The result? Complete forecasting chaos. And with logic rules in the condition builder, we can compare rules in real time without writing a single line of code. First, we'll need to create a text attribute dynamically for both fields. Dynamic text attributes allow you to create dynamic content and rules. Once created, they can be used in our logic rules to compare and contrast one another. I'll add a text attribute called commit for the committed forecast, and a total opportunity text attribute for the total deal value. Then the magic happens with one simple number date comparison in the condition builder. This ensures the value match before the users proceed. If they don't match, they get context-specific guidance. If they do match, then the user can proceed without interruption on the account.
Wait, can you use other operators too?
Absolutely. You can use comparators like equals, greater than or less than, arithmetic operators, and even time constraints like today or due date minus today is greater than or less than 5 days for deadline logic. This makes logic rules ideal for processes where data accuracy drives workflow decisions. And boom, we're tied at 2-2.
Well, well, well. It looks like we've reached a tie in the WalkMe Tips Showdown.
But the real winners are all of you, now armed with 4 game-changing WalkMe Builder tips.
Seriously though, these tips will save you tons of time and dramatically improve your user's experience.
Whether it's pre-filling templates, protecting users from accidental clicks, speeding up your build process, or creating smart data validation, WalkMe has you covered.
So what do you say? Who's the ultimate WalkMe Tips champion?
No decisive winner?
I think we can call it a tie. All these tips are winners.
WalkMe Builders for the win! Forget it, forget it. Don't forget to check out our WalkMe Tip Tuesdays or Watch Me Build series on the community for more builder tips.